draw and color a cute boba drink. Start by drawing 2 slanted lines. Connect the bottom of slanted lines with a curved line. Continue by drawing a long rectangle with curved corner on top of the slanted lines. Now, draw 2 big curved lines for the cup lid. Draw a long rectangle for the straw. Next, draw a lot of black circle at the bottom of the cup for the bobas. Draw a cute face on the cup. Great job! Now it's coloring time. I color the drink with cream color, dark green for the straw, and light blue for the lid. Or you can color your boba drinks with any color you want. We're done! Thanks for watching! Please like and subscribe!